Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make simple app in under 10 minutes on Bubble. So simply just what you need to do, as you can see, this is our main Bubble page and simply we have login. So simply just drag the text option from design section here, and after that you have to simply type the text name here. After that, just here you can also change the selection, body heading, color and everything. So after that, just in the next, what you need to do, just you have to go to text again, and here you can also add the description here. So after that, simply you have added the description here. So in the next, just simply, as you can see the button option, simply drag it here and type the button name. You can also change the color, style, fonts, layout, condition. As you can see, this is the layout option, so simply you can change it here, like you can change the width, size and everything here. So here you can see the conditional option. So after that, when you simply create this, just as you can see, we created text and then description and then button. So now you can also check in it preview option. So simply just click on preview. So here now we will go to the data, and now here you can see we will click on create a new field. So first of all, the field name, so simply like I want to add the field name here, new. So like I will add something in description, I like it, text, and click on create. So now go to design, and here you can see this data will add it in the description here. So simply again we go to data and now click on create a new field and click type the name. You have to type the same name as you type on the application. You have to type the same name here, and after that here you can also select, like I have typed the text. So simply just select here and click on create. So now again go to designs, and you can also add the main header line here. So simply just go to data, click on create a new field and type the name, and after that just file type, click on text, click on create. So we have created 3 fields here. Now simply go to workflow. So now here, so when someone click on your button or someone click on any thing, what action should be done? Simply as you can see, go to design, if we click on new, what kind of action should be happened. So if you want to add this, simply just you have to go to workflow and click on add a new element, and this element just type the button new, event color is blue, workflow folder. So you can also create a folder, and after that just go back to design, and now here you can also change the styles. You can also add the plugins here. So but we will create a simple app, so this is the method to create a simple app. So as you can see, first of all we add header, then description, then button. You can also add the multiple section here, like we add the image here, and now here we will upload the image. Simply just upload the image and wait for a few seconds. Our image is being uploaded. So as you can see, our image is uploaded. So you can also change the layout, condition and appearance. After that you have to go to data and just you have to create a new folder and edit the image. If after that you have to click on workflow to add this element. Now go back to design. So simply, as you can see, we have created a simple app, and here are the multiple sections, video, alert. So simply you have to drag and drop and create a simple app. So this is the way to create a simple app. Now we'll go to preview. So here you can see our app is created. So this is the preview option. So here you can check the preview of your app. If you add the multiple pages, you can easily see all the pages here. Now go back to design. So whenever you want to add a new section, simply you have to drag the section, and whenever you drag the section you can see the properties here. So in the next section you can also edit the properties of your selection, like if you drag the links, you can directly move to properties and here you can edit this. So in this way you can easily create a simple app in Bubble under